This is the SANSI 2-pack of yellow porch light bulbs. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we find a lighting facts sheet along with the bulb itself. So here it is here. You can see it has yellow LEDs in it. Okay. This area right here is ceramic. So that means it's going to have excellent heat dissipation. And you'll notice most of the bulb has slats in it to allow for good ventilation. Regular, standard E26 medium base. Light projects out from there. There's even a vent in the center there. And that's it. Now these are really meant for use as porch lights or bug lights. And basically the way that works, the idea behind it, is the yellow light it puts out, which by the way is 2700K, is not that visible to insects. Insects tend to see blue light a lot better than yellow. So the idea behind it is they're going to kind of ignore this light because they can't really see the light from it too well, but may instead go to a different light fixture, or better yet, your neighbor's light fixture, where they might have some sort of regular type bulb there that emits a lot more blue light that they can see. So other than that, this is an 8-watt bulb, and it puts out 650 lumens. And let's go ahead and fire this up. So I have it right here. Let's turn it on, and you can see it is quite yellow. Let me see if I can get a closer shot of that, if the camera will adjust. There we are. So that should give you a very good representation of the actual color of light that this puts out. Let me shut the room lights out, and you can see that everything is absolutely awash in yellow light. Even being only 650 lumens, it's quite bright and quite good. Another nice thing about yellow light is it increases melatonin, which is the chemical that causes sleep. So this could be a soothing light, and in fact there are a lot of studies that have been done on people using their phones and tablets in bed because those screens put out a lot of blue light, which tends to keep us up, but a more mellow yellow light will tend to put us to sleep. Let me get both of these bulbs in a different fixture so you can see what it can do. So here I have the bulbs in another fixture here, as you can tell, and the wall is awash in yellow. Everything has a yellowish tinge to it. The carpet is accentuated because it is yellow, but it does do a bit for the color rendering of other things. This mat over here looks a lot different in whiter light, as you can see. So you will get a little bit of a color change, as you see, but again, that is sort of the point, because again, these are meant for use as porch lights in a light over a door or something like that. And I've had bug lights over the years, and they tend to do what they say they will. These are excellent. Another thing is, when you turn them on, it's instant. There is no delay whatsoever. Instant on, instant off. There's no delay whatsoever. And these are great. They're made by the SANSI company, which has been making LED bulbs for many years, and in fact a lot of the displays in Times Square, New York City, are made by SANSI. They have SANSI LEDs in them. So excellent all around. If you'd like to purchase these lights, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.